A Chinese AI just shook the entire tech world, wiping out billions from US companies. What is DeepSeek? How did it surpass ChatGPT, Google, and Meta in just days? And why is it free while others charge hundreds of dollars? On January 20th, 2025, a Chinese AI research lab launched DeepSeek R1, claiming it's the most advanced AI chatbot ever. And guess what? It's actually beating GPT-4o, Google's Gemini, and Meta's AI in key areas like math, logic, and efficiency. But here's the real shocker. DeepSeek is completely free for everyone. Within a week of its launch, DeepSeek became the #1 AI app in India and many other countries. Investors panicked, and in just one day, Nvidia lost $89 billion, making it the biggest single-day loss in history. Even Google and Meta stocks took massive hits. Meet Liang Wenfei, the man behind DeepSeek. Unlike OpenAI, Google, or Meta, his team had just 200 people, mostly PhD students under 30. Instead of hiring engineers, he focused on math and AI experts from China's top universities. And here's the craziest part. While OpenAI and Google spent billions on AI, DeepSeek was built for just $5.6 million. DeepSeek isn't just good. It's smarter than ChatGPT in reasoning and logic. It uses a chain of thought method, which means instead of just answering, it actually thinks step by step before responding. Unlike GPT-4o, which instantly gives answers, sometimes wrong, DeepSeek self-checks its answers, just like a human would. Since it's open source, companies like Microsoft and Perplexity AI are removing its censorship and integrating it into their products. And here's why this matters. DeepSeek is proving that you don't need billions of dollars or fancy GPUs to build world-class AI. Even with US chip bans, China found a way to train AI faster and cheaper than anyone expected. So, what does this mean for you? AI is evolving at a crazy speed, and if you're not learning AI tools, you're falling behind. Whether it's ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or future models, the time to start learning and using AI is now. What do you think? Will DeepSeek overtake OpenAI, or will censorship hold it back? Comment below. If you found this video interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI updates.